Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove payment methods on Google Play. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The Google Play Store is the visual app marketplace for Android phones and tablets. While there are a wide variety of apps and services that you can download and install from the platform for free, a lot of them you offer premium features and additional content that you need to pay for. There are also just as many apps that can be acquired for a one-time fee. In order to access those, you need to link payment method with your Google Play account. So, in this video, I will show you how to remove payment methods on your Google Play. It's very simple. So, first we have to open our Play Store or Google Play. Now, you can go to your profile by tap on the upper right corner here, your profile picture, and you'll find there is an option payments and subscriptions. You can just tap on that. You can choose on payment methods. And here's the payment methods that I'm using on my that I used on my Google Play Store account, and I want to remove one of them. How to do it? It's very simple. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option more payment settings. You can just tap on that. You can choose on Chrome or Google. You'll directly to you will redirect to this website, and here's all the payment methods that you use on your Google Play Store. Okay, if you want to remove one of them, you can just like for example, I will remove this one. There is an option remove, I think it's bug. You can just tap on here. Removing it will not be able to use this payment method for other Google products, and yes, so I will just replace, okay, like this. By removing it, you will not be able to use this payment method for other Google products and services until you add it again. You can just tap on happy in here, but actually it's removed. So now the payment method has been removed from your Google Play Store. It's so simple, right? So if you want to add that method, payment methods again on your Google Play, you can just reopen your Google Play Store and add the payment methods. So that is how to remove payment methods on Google Play. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.